Power. Accuracy. A formula that flows through the veins of a champion. The Philippine National Shooting Association, in partnership with Philippine Practical Shooting Association, proudly presents the 46th SEASA IPSC Philippine Open. A handgun qualifier match for IPSC World Shoot 2025 South Africa. The first ever collaboration of Southeast Asian Shooting Association and the International Practical Shooting Association here in the Philippines. Seize the opportunity to gain camaraderie and shoot alongside with the finest and our very own pride, the Team Philippines. Open Division. Production Optic Division. Production Division. Standard Division. Witness as they embark to represent, hold and defend their titles in another prestigious international event that will showcase and push their skills to the limits. November 28 to December 1, 2024, Magnus Frontside Shooting Range, Pasiri, Batangas. Be there!